Ever wonder why most small business owners are constantly stressed about tax season and messy spreadsheets? When I started my business, I spent more time chasing receipts and calculating VAT than actually doing the work I loved. That all changed when I moved my operations over to Monzo business. After using it for over a year to run my daily operations, I found some game-changing features that most people overlook. Tip 1. The set and forget tax pot. The single biggest stress reliever for me has been the automated tax pot. If you're on the Pro or Team plan, you can set Monzo to automatically move a specific percentage of every incoming payment into a separate pot. I personally set mine to 20% for VAT and corporation tax. It means when the tax bill finally lands, the money is already there, sitting aside, and I haven't accidentally spent it on inventory or overhead. Tip 2. Instant digital bookkeeping. Forget the shoebox full of receipts. Every time I use my Monzo business card, I get an instant notification on my phone. I've made it a habit to tap that notification immediately, snap a photo of the receipt, and add a quick note about what it was for. If you link your account to Xero or QuickBooks, that receipt and the transaction data sync automatically. It saved me hours of manual data entry every single month. Tip 3. Professional invoicing with built-in tracking. I used to send manual PDF invoices and then lose track of who had paid what. Now, I create my invoices directly in the Monzo app. It looks professional, and more importantly, it gives my clients a pay-by-bank link. When they pay, Monzo recognizes the reference number and marks the invoice as paid instantly. No more manual reconciliation or awkward "did you get my email" follow-ups. The app notifies me the second the funds hit. Tip 4. Utilizing virtual cards for subscriptions. I use virtual cards for all my business software subscriptions, think Adobe, Canva, or Shopify. By creating a dedicated virtual card for software, I can set a specific spend limit on that card. If a subscription tries to overcharge me or if I want to cancel a service without jumping through hoops, I can just freeze that specific virtual card without affecting my main physical card or other business payments. Tip 5. Sorting Making Tax Digital, MTD. With the new HMRC rules coming in 2026, staying compliant is non-negotiable. I've been using the built-in Making Tax Digital tool powered by Sage. It's actually free for Monzo business customers. It allows me to file my returns directly to HMRC from the app. If you're a sole trader or a small limited company, this removes the need for expensive third-party filing software. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.